Hi Leo students, Mr. Kaczynski here, going to take you through a real quick video on how to complete a table for a linear function and then graph the line. So we're given this line, y equals 3x minus 1, our equation of a line, and we're going to plug in these x values or substitute them into the equation and find out what the y is. So 3 times this 3 is 9, minus 1 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, minus 1 is negative 7, and 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is negative 1. So if I went a little quick there for you, that's okay. We can always use a calculator to get these values and do these operations as well. 3 times 3 minus 1, there's our 8. 3 times 2 minus 1, there's our 5. Change that 2 to a negative 2. And we get negative 7, and change that 2 to a 0, and we're going to get negative 1. Which, by the way, that, your y value when x is 0 is called our y-intercept. So there's 0, negative 1. Let's plot these other points, though. 3, 8. 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up. There's 3, 8. 2, 5 is 2 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then negative 2, negative 7 is 2 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. And all those points fall in a straight line, and all the points on that straight line are the solutions to the equation y equals 3x minus 1. So that's how you complete a table and graph a line. Let's do it one more time. Oh yeah, you know what? One more thing too. Let's show you this, that the slope of this line is 3, because every time I go up 3 and right 1, I end up back on the line. That's another key point there. Okay, let's do it again. This one's a little bit backwards, maybe, to a 7 minus 2x. So let's do 2 times 2 is 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 times negative 1, this gets a little confusing, is, maybe I'll look at it as negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2, and 7 plus 2 is 9. This is where the calculator is going to help you out. 2 times 5 is 10, and 7 minus 10 is negative 3. And negative 2 times 0 is 0, and 7 minus that would just be 7. So again, let's use the calculator. 7 minus 2 times 2. That's our x value, and that does give me 3. Let's change that negative, or that 2 to a negative 1. It gives me 9, okay. Let's do 5, and that's negative 3. And one more time, we'll plug that 0 in. Calculator really helps. I'm not sure we need it on this one. We get 7. So again, that's our y-intercept. The value of y when x equals 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up. Okay, plot these other points. 2, 3, 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3 up. Negative 1, 9. So 1 to the left, 9 up. And 5, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3 down. And all those points fall in a straight line again. Yep. So let's graph them. And there we go. And another key thing to point out here is that our slope in this case is negative 2. That means every time we go down 2, we go 1 to the right. So down 2, 1 to the right, down 2, 1 to the right, down 2, 1 to the right. That's why our slope is negative 2. That's all I got for you. Have a great day, and I hope this helps.